So, and they have solve Leetcode 212 word search. My list of words, right? And almost say see words. My word oats, pea, eat, rain, right? No, my metrics way. Say see word no our metrics ma. Way main designs, may explain it with examples on the whiteboard, but because a combination of Leetcode 79 and a Leetcode 208 I'm a solve with that. It's before you can to my solve us a question because I know as I will making sure say what a Leetcode 79 and a Leetcode 208. Now I say how are you go about it now, right? Until you know and how the best solve it. So question way into but basically we use to try data structure, right? Try data structure now the best of us question way into we create to try data structure now the words in action. We are then you search for the words with try data structure, right? Now I find a word in a woman at the account, any man at the account, right? Into your corner, you should the way to myself as a question way. Into first, then set up your try node class, right? Until you initialize a try node class now. Myself dots children a dictionary and a self dots is word and obey a false, right? Here we implemented try class now, so right, so class try initialize a class try now self root be self dot root we equal to try node, right? Here we are near implementing insert into self and a word, right? Into node never start here for root now, right? For each character we are in word, if character no say any nodes root node no children one, you the count you be create new one into node dot children for that character, where you go to new try node ID account, right? Second also there we just maybe move to that node now. Until here the count we are near set is that node no flag no for his word not to true. Into CCR, this is how I created try node data structure, and I created try class, right? Into a no you have implemented a solve question way into first now because I said to try no initialize a try class now, right? You know my metrics into you get to the row and column of the metrics, but even before that no you pick your words in a words moving on you inserting it into try no, right? Into you first of all word in words try dot insert word into we need the account and this is I am runner you get to the row and column of the board into board no rows no equal to length of board and a boards no columns no equal to length of board first row. Okay, nti implementation here for each row range rows and for each column in range columns no never find word never starting from the root node no, right? You should row no, you should column no, even here column no, you're building new word, right? Nti you draw no say you better see you right? So we 79 they have solve one na side you have right? But we never try data structure any other until you are returning results, right? Into we say a function I was here build it. Function I was here build it to find word, right? Into and build this our function, right? The find word. Even here node, even here row, even here column, and a path to build the word, right? Into first crown before I be proceeding, row column I was here making sure say if only within the range, the range bound of the matrix. No? So if not 0 less than or equal to row, and a row less than or equal to rows and the same thing for column. Right, so yes, just return because that's not any idea right? So yes, a character may be equal to board for our row no, and it's our column no, right? Right, and path and so be plus character. Okay, and this here if character not in node no children return because here who's our word no, right? Okay, it's here no, if you draw a person left right up down left right that and only but before that no, to prevent say falling in a circle of loop no, I will see assigning any character to where the corner to character now right? Right, into node to character now into see and you have a left right way, right? So for the x dy in left right up down, okay, can be represented as this. Right, and a node be equal to node dot children for our character, right? Because node so a name right? So anyway, children are the next node no be way, right? Anymore, you will return about say we mudia ebe say, okay. So the ebe I church as we break. In CCR no, and first you validate you as say it's within bounds, establish a character and a path. In CCR now, if you have find it, your friends say check out say you be word no with the try now, into no you be adjacent row equal to the row plus the x, and adjacent column equal to row plus the y. Okay, into we are never find I will find a word with node, adjacent row, adjacent column, and a path. Note path no, a certain say right? Into the account no path plus character, right? Boom 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 boom. I think so. That will be it. But where is the base case, right? Into node na you know I say right? If the node no is where that, so if node dot is where that, right? Res dot append path, okay? Into say near the partner so account. Into I say near the partner account. I can results was say no can results was say, but I have not initialized results yet. Into results never set. But my results set there and they have a add. Now you present a list now, so I lists of results. Okay. Into I think say for the most part nearly see and our results no eba be into no yeah say maybe I okay into you set it try node, you set it try class, set it insert and try yes you initialize a try row length boom 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 it's within bounds blah blah blah. Okay, one thing so I was here and say you drew where the be I say setting it to a character, right? So they be enforce my loop into before I ever start a crown board of row and a column be equal to say string character, right? If we are assigning it back to board row and a column be equal to character. Yeah, you're setting it back to position and our first. Yeah, I think this should work, right? Into syntax error node dot if character not in node dot children. Okay, let me see way. Yeah, okay, let me see. Children, my messy NYC. Awesome. All right. This here I say okay. Let me see. sensitive rest dot add path plus character. Oh wait, I may see row and a column. Just say adjacent column. I say a row. I say a column. A row. I say into a known amount around it. Yes, I check you. All right. Into say and yes, solve this hard question. Word search 2. Okay. Into thank you for watching. All question be put your friends saying chatting. Now you become some later. Bye bye.